What if debt blocks your biggest dreams starting from today? Imagine you owe exactly $44,000 in debt. Many Americans carry debt that holds back their future plans. $20,000 comes from credit cards in this example. Your car loan totals $12,000 in this breakdown. Student loans add another $8,000 to your debt. The medical bill portion is $4,000 in total. These debts together equal $44,000 right now. Good Plan helps you pay off $44,000. Freedom from debt lets you enjoy life without money worries. Minimum payments barely cover the extra charges added by lenders. Debt grows from extra charges, even when you make payments. You beat extra charges by paying more than minimum monthly. Paying more than minimum reduces extra charges on your debt. Start by listing every debt you currently owe right now. Write down the name and amount for each debt you have. Include the extra charge rate for each debt on your list. Knowing your full debt picture helps you make smart choices. Next, create a simple budget to see your money each month. A budget shows your income and all your spending clearly. You can use a notebook or free app for your budget. List your monthly income from your job and other sources. Then list all your necessary expenses like rent and food. Subtract expenses from income to see what money is left. The money left can go toward paying off your debt. You can find extra money by cutting some daily spending. You save $5 each day by skipping coffee now. Cooking at home saves you money every month for debt payments. Cancel unused subscriptions to free up money for debt payoff. Selling old clothes or items gives you cash for debt. You can work extra hours at your job for more income. Driving for rideshare apps help you earn extra money for debt. Freelance tasks on weekends can bring in money for debt. Every extra dollar you earn helps pay off debt faster. Now, choose a payoff method that fits your personality best. The Snowball method pays your smallest debt first for wins. You pay minimum on all debts, but extra on the smallest. After paying off the smallest debt, roll the payment forward. Small wins from the Snowball method keep you motivated strong. The Avalanche method pays the highest extra charge debt first. You save the most money overall with the Avalanche method. Pick Snowball if you need quick wins to stay excited. Pick Avalanche if you want to save the most money possible. Both methods work well if you stick with them daily. Start with your chosen method and pay extra every month. Use any extra money from tax refunds for debt payments. Bonuses from work can go straight to your debt payoff. Gifts or side income should help reduce your debt balance. Negotiate with lenders to lower your extra charge rates if possible. Call your credit card company and ask for a lower rate. Lower rates mean less extra charges and faster debt payoff. Track your progress every week to see your debt going down. Seeing the numbers drop keeps you positive and on track. Celebrate small wins like paying off one debt completely. You will feel proud after paying off your first small debt. Stay positive even when progress feels slow on some days. Remember why you started to keep your motivation high always. Picture your life without this debt to stay focused daily. Avoid new debt by using cash or debit for purchases. Build a small emergency fund to avoid new debt in future. An emergency fund of $1,000 protects your progress. You can save for this fund while paying off debt slowly. Once debt is gone, you can save and invest for wealth. Paying off debt is the first step to financial freedom. You will have more choices and less stress in daily life. Your family will benefit from your smart money decisions too. Kids learn good money habits when they see you paying debt. Friends may ask how you became debt-free so fast. Share your story to help others start their own journey. The steps are simple but require consistent action every day. List your debts, make a budget, and pick your method. Cut spending where you can and earn a little extra. Pay more than the minimum and track every payment made. Celebrate wins and stay positive through the whole process. In a few years, you can be completely debt-free. $44,000 is a lot, but it is doable. Many people have paid off similar debts with a good plan. You are not alone in this journey to become debt-free. Take the first step today by listing all your debts. Your future self will thank you for starting right now. Debt does not define you, but paying it off will. Every payment brings you closer to the life you want. You have the power to change your money story today. Start small and keep going until the debt is gone. The cartoon character in this video shows your possible journey. See the character pay off debt and smile with relief. You can do the same with patience and smart choices. Remember the breakdown of your $44,000 debt. Credit cards were $20,000 and the car loan $12,000. Student loans were $8,000 and medical bills $4,000. Now you know exactly where your debt came from today. Use this knowledge to attack the debt with a clear plan. The Snowball or Avalanche method will guide your payments. Choose one and commit to it for the best results. Cutting daily expenses adds up to big savings over time. The extra money from cuts goes directly to debt reduction. Side hustles can speed up your debt payoff journey greatly. Even small extra income makes a big difference over months. Negotiation can lower your rates and save you hundreds. Tracking shows you the progress and keeps you accountable. Motivation comes from seeing the debt number get smaller weekly. Positive thinking helps you stick with the plan during hard times. Your health improves when money stress is reduced over time. Family life gets better without the worry of debt payments. You can travel or buy a home once debt is gone. Retirement savings can start once the debt is fully paid. The future looks bright when you take control of debt now. This video gives you the tools to start your payoff plan. Use the steps in order for the best chance of success. Review your budget every month and adjust as needed. Life changes, so your plan can change with it too. Stay flexible, but keep the goal of debt freedom in mind. You will make mistakes, but learn and keep moving forward. Every month of payments is a victory in your journey. The end goal is a life free from debt stress. Imagine the relief when you make the final debt payment. That moment will be worth all the hard work you did. Share that moment with family and friends who supported you. Your story can inspire others who are in similar situations. Comment below and share your debt story to inspire others. Like this video if the tips were helpful for you today. Subscribe to the channel for more simple finance advice videos. The tracker helps you list debts and watch the numbers drop. You are capable of paying off this $44,000. Take action today and start your debt-free journey now. The cartoon animation shows how simple the steps really are. Follow along with the character as they pay off debt. You can pause the video to list your own debts now. Come back and continue learning the payoff strategies. The Avalanche method saves you the most money in extra charges. The Snowball method gives you the motivation to keep going. Both are good, so pick the one that feels right for you. Consistency is the key to success in any debt payoff plan. Missing one payment is okay, but get back on track fast. Do not let setbacks stop you from reaching debt freedom. Your determination will see you through to the end. The money you save on extra charges can go to savings. Once debt is paid, you can build an emergency fund fast. Then you can start investing for your long-term goals. The stock market or retirement accounts become options after debt. You will have more money for the things you love. Debt freedom opens doors to new opportunities in life. You deserve to live without the burden of this debt. Start today, and in a few years, you will be free. The process is simple, but it requires your daily effort. You have everything you need to succeed in this plan. Believe in yourself and your ability to become debt-free. The end of debt is the beginning of true financial peace. Thank you for watching this video on debt payoff strategies. Remember the breakdown of your $44,000 debt. Credit cards, $20,000, car loan, $12,000, and more. Use the Snowball or Avalanche method to pay it off. Cut expenses and earn extra to speed up the process. Track your progress and celebrate every small win along the way. Stay positive and keep your eyes on the debt-free future. Negotiate rates if possible to reduce extra charges you pay. Build a small emergency fund to protect your debt payoff progress. Avoid new debt by living within your means every day. Your future self will be grateful for the work you do now. Many Americans have paid off debt just like you can. You are not alone, and resources are available to help you. This channel provides simple tips to improve your money life. Subscribe and turn on notifications for new finance videos weekly. Share this video with a friend who might need debt help. Together, we can all move toward better financial health. The steps in this video are proven to work for anyone. Apply them to your situation and see the results over time. Debt payoff is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient. Small, consistent actions lead to big results in the end. You have the power to change your financial future today. Take the first step and list your debts right after this. Then make your budget and choose your payoff method today. The cartoon character believes in you, and so do I. You will succeed if you keep going one payment at a time. The relief of being debt-free is waiting for you ahead. Keep this video as a guide throughout your payoff journey. Review it whenever you need a boost of motivation or tips. Your debt-free life is possible and closer than you think. Start now and enjoy the freedom that comes with no debt.